Welcome to Global Vision. We haven't met before. I'm Liberty. I host the videos on this channel where we delve into different topics every week, providing you with enjoyable and informative content. Let's set sail together towards new horizons. Welcome to the ultimate guide to cryptocurrency investments. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive overview of cryptocurrency investments, covering everything from the basics to advanced strategies. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this guide will equip you with the knowledge you need to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Part 1: Introduction to Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They operate on decentralized networks, called blockchains, which ensure transparency, immutability, and security of transactions. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central authority. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies brings several advantages. They offer faster and cheaper cross-border transactions, enhanced privacy, and reduced dependence on intermediaries like banks. Additionally, cryptocurrencies provide opportunities for investment and wealth generation. Part 2: Getting started with cryptocurrency investments. Step 1: Educate yourself. Before diving into cryptocurrency investments, it's crucial to educate yourself about the fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as blockchain, wallets, private keys, and public addresses. Understand the risks and potential rewards associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Step 2: Choose the right exchange. To invest in cryptocurrencies, you'll need to find a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Research various exchanges based on factors like security, user-friendliness, available cryptocurrencies, and fees. Select an exchange that aligns with your needs and preferences. Step 3: Secure your investments. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies. Set up a secure wallet to store your investments. Hardware wallets, such as Ledger or Trezor, provide offline storage and enhanced security features. Remember to back up your wallet's recovery phrase and protect it from unauthorized access. Part 3: Understanding investment strategies. Strategy 1: Long-term hodling. HODL, hold on for dear life, is a popular long-term investment strategy. It involves buying and holding cryptocurrencies for an extended period, usually years, with the belief that their value will increase significantly over time. This strategy requires patience and a strong belief in the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies. Strategy 2: Active trading. Active trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies frequently to profit from short-term price fluctuations. It requires technical analysis, market research, and a solid understanding of trading strategies. However, active trading is highly volatile and can be risky for inexperienced investors. Strategy 3: Diversification. Diversification is a risk management strategy that involves investing in a variety of cryptocurrencies. By spreading your investments across different projects and sectors, you reduce the impact of individual coin performance on your overall portfolio. Diversification helps mitigate risks and can enhance long-term stability. Part 4: Conclusion and final thoughts. Cryptocurrency investments offer exciting opportunities for growth and financial independence. However, it's essential to approach them with caution, conducting thorough research and understanding the associated risks. Remember to invest only what you can afford to lose and regularly reassess your investment strategy. Key takeaways: Educate yourself about cryptocurrencies before investing. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Secure your investments with a reliable wallet. Consider different investment strategies, such as long-term holding, active trading, or diversification. Be aware of the risks and stay updated on market trends. Thank you for watching the ultimate guide to cryptocurrency investments. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to embark on your cryptocurrency investment journey. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is ever evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and invest wisely. I hope this video content has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe.